Are you experiencing connection errors, multiplayer issues, high ping, lag, rubber banding, or random disconnects while playing Marvel Tokon, Fighting Souls on PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you several effective methods to fix network-related issues, improve your online connection, and reduce lag for a smoother multiplayer experience. First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred DNS type: 8.8.8.8 in alternate DNS server type: 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. First, open the Start menu. Click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type WinSock reset. Press Enter. Type exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Now, press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes.